Is the most beneficent and merciful. So today we will discuss here the distance and displacement. What is difference between distance and displacement? So look at the example. Let's suppose there is a house and there is a school. A body moves from house to school. It's a zigzag path like that. So the distance is, it is a real path. It's a real path. It's a real path, and let's suppose its value comes to be, let's suppose it's a 50 kilometer. So it is a real path. So distance is a real path, and displacement, it is the shortest distance between 2 points. I've shown with a black color line. So it's the shortest distance between 2 points. It is known as displacement, and the real path is named as distance. So I'm writing the first definition. The distance. On the one side we have the distance is there, and on the other side we have the displacement. Distance, it is a real path. It is a real path. That's another definition as the length between 2 points. The length between 2 points is termed as distance. So if a body is moving from one point to another point, then both the things are there. The distance is there or displacement is there. Distance is a real path like that. Body is moving zigzag path like that. It's a real path and it's a distance. And displacement, it is the shortest distance between 2 points. So it is the shortest. It's shown by a straight line. It is the shortest distance. It is the shortest distance between 2 points that is named as displacement. And on the other side we have the displacement. It is the shortest distance between 2 points, and it is named as displacement. Or it's the length between 2 points that is named as distance. Now we have the second one is, it is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. It's a scalar quantity, so there is no need of direction arrow. It's a scalar quantity. And in case of displacement, it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. So let's see another example. Let's suppose the body moves from A to B and then B to C. In the first step it covers a distance 10 meter, and the second one it covers 5 meter distance. What is the total distance? There is no need of direction here. You just add them and you will get the distance covered by an object. The distance covered by an object, because the scalar quantity, you will just add them, 10 meter plus 5 meter. And answer comes to be 15 meter. So that is the total distance between 2 points, and it is 10 plus 5 and it is equal to 15 meter. And if I ask what is the displacement, 10 meter on this side and 5 meter on this side, so it is reversed. So the total displacement, the displacement is, because it's a vector quantity, and it is 10 minus 5 comes to be 5 meter. Look at again here. Let's suppose the body moves from A to B, covers the distance 10 meter, and the body then moves from B to C. The distance is 5 meter. The total distance, because the scalar quantity, you just add them, 10 plus 5 and get answer 15 meter. In case of displacement, it's a vector quantity, 10 meter on this side and 5 meter on the reverse direction. So the total displacement, in that case, displacement is 10 minus 5. Why is minus? Because its direction is reverse here. So minus 5 comes to be 5 meter. Now the displacement is 10 minus 5 meter, and direction is towards west. And we have the third one is its SI unit is meter. Its SI unit is meter. Similarly, on this side, its SI unit is also meter. We have the same units in both the cases. Distance and displacement. They are having the same units. And you must know the important thing is distance is a scalar quantity because no need of direction. And displacement, distance with their direction. And write down displacement, distance with a direction. Distance with the direction, that is displacement. So that is the difference between distance and displacement. And you must know that a distance is a real path or length between 2 points I've just mentioned, and displacement, it is the shortest distance between two. It's denoted by a straight line here. So it's the shortest distance. So that's why it's a vector quantity and scalar is a scalar quantity. And this distance is scalar quantity, both having the same unit, meter. And that's the difference between distance and displacement. Thank you all.